Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, the premier pre-owned RV dealer in the Southeast. Today, we're thrilled to showcase a stunning 2016 Fleetwood Discovery 40E, a CARFAX one-owner diesel pusher with just 42,000 miles, priced at an incredible $147,900. This 41-foot Class A RV, built on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis, features the highly sought-after 40E floor plan with 3 massive slide-outs, including a full wall slide and 1.5 baths, sleeping up to 4 in ultimate comfort. Adorned with the gorgeous Times Square full-body paint package, this RV exudes sophistication, powered by a robust Cummins diesel engine with plenty of power for any situation. Join us for a full walk-around to explore every luxurious detail of this unbeatable deal. Let's start with the exterior, where the 2016 Fleetwood Discovery 40E commands attention with its sleek design. The Times Square full-body paint package with its vibrant, high-gloss finish creates a striking presence that shines at every campground. Stretching 41 feet, this RV is built on a Freightliner PowerBridge chassis with full air brakes and air ride suspension, delivering a smooth, confident ride on any terrain. Powered by a Cummins ISL9 diesel engine, it produces 380 horsepower and an impressive 1,150 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifting for seamless performance. Updated 2023 tires all around ensure you're ready for the road, whether you're cruising highways or exploring scenic routes. The construction features VacuBond, aluminum-framed walls, roof, and floors, paired with a power lock system for secure slide-out integration, ensuring durability and comfort in all seasons. The exterior is loaded with premium features for convenience and style. Pass-through basement storage compartments with a pull-out storage tray offer ample space for camping gear, outdoor furniture, or travel essentials. The exterior entertainment center, complete with a 32-inch TV, stereo, and speakers, is perfect for tailgating or relaxing under the stars. A power patio awning, power door awning, and slide toppers over all slides provide shade and protection, creating an ideal outdoor living space. Power Gear one-touch hydraulic automatic leveling jacks with touchpad controls make setup quick and stable, while the rear and side view camera system with an in-dash monitor ensures easy navigation in tight spaces. A 10,000-pound trailer hitch lets you tow a vehicle or trailer with ease. Powering your adventures is effortless with this RV's robust systems. The Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator with only 175 hours of use delivers reliable off-grid power for boondocking or remote getaways. A 50-amp service with an extension cord on a power reel, Magnum inverter charger, and battery disconnects ensure efficient energy management. 3 roof-mounted AC units with heat pumps and a ducted furnace with thermostat control keep you comfortable year-round, from scorching summers to crisp fall evenings. High-gloss porcelain tile flooring from the entryway to the rear bathroom adds a touch of luxury, enhancing comfort in every season. Step inside and the 40E floor plan unfolds as a masterpiece of luxury and functionality. 3 massive slide-outs, including a full wall slide, create a spacious interior, sleeping up to 4, perfect for couples or small groups seeking upscale travel. The layout features a king-size bed in the rear master bedroom and a pull-out sleeper sofa in the front living room. The front living room is a welcoming hub, boasting a table dinette with chairs, a 32-inch TV above the front seats, a 42-inch TV on a TV lift beside the dinette, and an L-shaped sectional sofa with a hide-a-bed sleeper, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Ultra-leather furniture and raised panel solid hardwood cabinetry create a residential ambiance that feels like home. The full kitchen is a culinary haven, designed for effortless meal prep. You've got a residential refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop, a microwave convection oven, and a residential sink and faucet, perfect for everything from quick snacks to gourmet dinners. Ample cabinetry keeps your kitchen organized, while the polished solid surface countertops add elegance and durability. The 1.5 bath setup is a standout, with a private half bathroom featuring a sink, vanity, toilet, and power vent fan, and a rear full-width bathroom with a large shower enclosure with a glass door, skylight, power vent fan, toilet, sink, vanity, and a large wardrobe linen closet for extra storage. A stackable washer and dryer adds convenience for extended trips or full-time RV living. The rear master bedroom is a luxurious sanctuary with a king-size bed for ultimate comfort, a 32-inch TV for late-night viewing, a wardrobe closet, and additional drawer storage. Plush bedding and coordinated window treatments create a warm, residential feel, while the full wall slide ensures plenty of space to relax. The combination of the king bed and sleeper sofa provides flexible sleeping options for up to 4. Confident. Let's recap the highlights of this remarkable RV. The 40E floor plan, with 3 slide-outs including a full wall slide, offers a spacious interior with 1.5 baths, sleeping 4 in luxury. The Cummins diesel engine and Freightliner chassis deliver powerful, reliable performance, while the Onan generator and 50-amp service ensure off-grid capability. Features like the exterior entertainment center, hydraulic leveling jacks, and Times Square paint package add style and convenience, while the ceramic tile flooring, washer-dryer, and 1.5 bath setup elevate the experience. At just $147,900, this 2016 Fleetwood Discovery 40E with only 42,000 miles is an exceptional value for a one-owner diesel pusher. Imagine hitting the road in this 2016 Fleetwood Discovery 40E, exploring coastal highways, mountain retreats, or serene campgrounds with your loved ones. Picture relaxing on the L-shaped sectional, cooking in the gourmet kitchen, or unwinding in the king-size bed after a day of adventure. This RV blends the comfort of a luxury home with the freedom of travel, And the Times Square paint package ensures you arrive in style. With its low mileage and premium features, every journey will be unforgettable. As we wrap up this walk-around, let's talk about making this RV yours. Priced at just $147,900, this 2016 Fleetwood Discovery 40E is a rare opportunity to own a luxury diesel pusher at an unbeatable price. Give us a call at 864-260-9276, send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. Our team at Porter's RV Sales is ready to help you hit the road in this incredible RV. Thank you for joining us for this walk-around of the 2016 Fleetwood Discovery 40E. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel, Porter's RV Sales, for more RV tours, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This luxurious RV, with its full wall slide, 1.5 baths, low mileage, and unbeatable price, is a one-of-a-kind find. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to make this 2016 Discovery 40E yours. This is Porter's RV Sales, and we can't wait to see you on the road.